AirAsia is a leading travel and financial platform company in Asia Pacific, providing air transport, travel and lifestyle products, as well as financial services. It is known as the largest low-cost airline in Southeast Asia, with a headquarters in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. This model is for remembering a tragic aircraft accident that happened on AirAsia Flight 8501 on December 28, 2014. It lost contact with the ATC and crashed on Karamata Strait, just above the Java Sea,